In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the timing settings here in NBA 2K26. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to do this, start off on the main menu of NBA 2K26 and you need to tab all the way over to features up at the very top. From here, go ahead and select enter features and you need to find your controller settings. So just go down on here until you have controller settings highlighted. Go ahead and just hit A to open it up. And then from here, you're going to see all the timing options. Now you can turn off shot timing just like so. If it is off, the shot success is only based on real player percentages. You'll also have layup timing on here as well as like free throw timing, which work the exact same way. So go ahead and adjust those accordingly just by selecting it and clicking it on or off on the right hand sidebar. But essentially from here, go down to the shot timing visual cue on here as well. So scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a visual cue option. And you can set this to jump, set point, push, or release, depending on whatever feels best for you. So mess around with it, test it out a little bit. But finally, you're also going to have your shot meter input type, which can be set to, either all, pro stick only, or shot button only. It really is up to you. But that is everything. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.